Hello there, today we are going to discuss about some formulas in Excel sheet. So we will discuss sum, subtractions, multiplications, divide, percentage, average and count. Okay, so you will learn different kind of methods where you are able to do these all functions easily. So first we will do sum with formulas, and second we will do it sum without formula, and third we will do it with shortcuts. So we have these product cell, we have items here, and this is time January, February, March and April, and this is the amount cost of the item. Now I'm coming here to equal sign and then write here sum. You can just add this one, or you can just do it bracket and select this one first item, then colon here from the keyboard, and you can just select the last item as well and close the bracket and enter. So this is the total sum of all the items in January. Simply I'm doing equal sign, then write it sum, then write it sum, bracket, select the first cost, then colon from the keyboard and select the last one. Okay, then close the bracket and enter. Okay, the same total sum of all these items in January. The same we can do here for February as well. Equal to sum and bracket, select the first item, then semicolon and the last one. You can just edit here or just select the last item. All these cell products in costs will be selected, then close the bracket and enter. Okay, the same we can do here, we can just drag and do for other as well, or we can just do here as well, equal to sum and bracket, select all these items costs here up to here and close the bracket, enter. The same we can do here as well, and you can just copy the same formula to other February, March and April as well. So now I will do it sum we have done with formula, and now we are going to do it without formula. So I will delete this sum and here, so it is for with formula and this is without formula, and now I'm doing here for sum without formula, we have done with formula. Now we are going to do it without formula. I will select all these C item cost for January, February, March and April. Then I'm going here to home and come here auto sum and select this one. Look here, the auto sum for each and every month has been done. Okay, and I will just control Z it again, and I will select the same items cell product and coming here to home, and without going here I will just select auto sum. The same function will be completed sum for each and every month for all the items has been here total. When you select here, it is showing. Now I will just delete all these total. Now the last one I will do it sum with shortcuts. So I'm coming here to select this. Now I'm just selecting this cell, then press Alt plus equal. So this whole column item cost for January has been selected, then simply press enter. Look here, it is the total. The same I'm doing here. Alt plus equal, the whole column for February has been selected. Look here, then simply press enter. The same I'm doing here. Alt plus equal and enter, and here Alt plus equal, enter. Okay, or you can just delete and you can drag and copy the same formula for other rows as well. And the same you can just do here, I'm writing here total and here equal to sum and bracket. I will select these row and press enter, and you can just do here the same. I will select this cell, then I will press Alt equal, so these row values and cell has been selected, then press enter. The same, I'm just pressing alt equal, and you can just copy the same formula for other rows total as well. Look here, you can just select. This is the sum total of all these items, okay, like January, February, March, April, for each and every month. So it was the sum for these months without formula, with formula, and with shortcuts. Okay, now I will do here subtraction, and this table, like we have months, gross salary, taxes, and net salary. Like here is the here is the salary for January, February, March, and other months, and we have here the gross salary and taxes and net salary. Now I'm coming here in this cell, I will press equal sign and select here the gross salary and press minus from the keyboard, and will select here the taxes and will enter. So here is the net salary, and just copy this the net salary to other months as well. Copy this the same formula to other rows as well. Like I will just copy this one and I will select all other columns and will press Ctrl V. Look here, like we have subtracted the taxes from each and every salary, and here is the net salary for that specific month. Okay, so in this section we will do the multiplication. Like we have different products here, unit sold and rate. Now we are going to calculate the total sales amount. Now I'm coming here to this cell, I will press equal and I will select here unit sold and press multiplication sign from the keyboard, and here select the rate and press enter. So this is the total amount, sales amount. Okay, so now I will do here and select and copy the same formula and will select others product as well and press Ctrl V. So this is the total sale amount. Okay, so in this part we are going to discuss about the divide. Like we have different products and units sold, the total amount. Now we are going to calculate its rate. Now I'm coming here to this cell, I will press equal, and to find the rate I will divide total amount by unit sold to find the rate. So I will select here the total amount and select slash from the keyboard and will select here unit sold and will enter. So this is the rate. Okay, like the total amount divided by unit weight to find its rate. So the same, I will copy the same formula for other products as well. I will select all those products for which I am going to calculate its rate, and I will simply press Ctrl V. So this is the rate for each and every product. Okay, here I am going to calculate the percentage. Like we have students and we have total marks obtained and percentage of the marks obtained. So to calculate and find the percentage, first I will do the divide and then I will make it as a percentage. I will select here equal sign and marks obtained and press slash from the keyboard and divide by total marks and press enter, and here copy the same formula to other students marks as well. Then select all these marks and come here to the home and select here the percentage. Look here, it is the percentage for each and every students. Like these are the marks obtained percentage. Okay, like 30%, okay, of the total marks. So this is the percentage of all students. So now I will discuss about the average. Like we have employees here, 1 to 3 up to 8 employees, and we have quantity or amount, and we will calculate here average as a row wise and column wise as well. So now I'm coming here to equal and write average here and start a bracket and will select for all these 4 columns and will close the bracket, enter. So here is like the average for all these amount for quantities okay, and I will just copy the same formula to others as well. I will just press Ctrl C and will select other and will Ctrl V. Okay, this is the average. Okay, and you can just look here, and the same I'm doing here for column wise as well, and I will write average. Okay, in start bracket we will select all these and employees and close bracket and enter. Okay, and the same I'm just doing to drag the same formula to other columns as well. Okay, this is the average for these quantities and here as well. So, and differently I can do here automatically as well, very simple. I will select all the employees quantity. Okay, then I'm coming here to home and here auto sum and select average. Okay, the same average for each and every employee has been calculated for row wise and column wise as well. Last, we are going to discuss about the count. Like here we have different numbers, date and text. Okay, so now I'm coming here to equal and write here count and start bracket and select all these and will close the bracket and enter. It shows that we have 4 count, like we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and date and text is not counting also number. Okay, so like we have count only 4. If I change here to text, like for example I will write like count. Okay, look here, the count has been reduced to 1. Text is not going to be as a number. Like when I change here back to number and it will be become 4. Or the same when I change here the good plan to number. Okay, and look here, the number has been changed. Text and date is not going to be as a number and exit. Okay, so it was about sum, subtraction, multiplications, divide, percentage, average and loss count. I hope this information will help you. Then do not forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the coming new tutorials. Bye bye, have a wonderful time and wish you all the very best for new coming year.